First, you have to open your Sublime Text and you have to set this one into an HTML. Next, let's type in HTML and then followed by the title. Let's start with picture. I'm going to set this one to be a picture. And then I'll start from the body with a simple div. Take note, div is a container. So let's just create a container for the picture to insert inside this container. Then I can make use of the image tag. I'm going to hit tab, and then I have to copy the proper source of the image. For this example, I have here with me an animal which is a giraffe, and then I just right click and then copy the image address. Go with your Sublime Text and then paste your source directly on this spot. After this one, we can make an alternate text, which means that if the image doesn't appear, then there should be an alternate text that will appear on the image area. So let's just say I have to put here giraffe image. And then after this one, I can set the one below it into a name. Let's just say I can start here paragraph and then the name of a giraffe. Save your file, go with your file, save as. This time I'm going to with my folder HTML and I can click here or set here pictures, save. Then let's take a look on the file. Open the pictures and this is how it looks like. And you also have that giraffe at the bottom. But then again, you can control the image size by allowing us to resize it with the width and the height. In this situation, I can just insert here, insert with the width to 300 and the height to around 400. Control S to save, then refresh your browser. That way you can fix your image. So take note, you can only set or you can set your width and your height. Aside from this one, you can set also a button at the bottom of this one by using details. I can remove this one, then type in details, then choose tab, and then inside this details, I can set summary, and then I can set here the title giraffe. And then below it, I can set paragraph, and then I can copy and paste the information on a paragraph. So I can just copy this one, copy, and then go back with my giraffe and paste on this area. Now I'm going to say this one, file, save, and go back with your browser, refresh. So you have now a drop down button of this text. So if I click this one, the information will appear on the giraffe. Now what I'm going to do next is that to allow this picture to be at the center. So what I'm going to do is in my div, I can set an attribute which is align, and then I can set this one at the center. Control S. Go back with your browser, refresh, then it's already at the center. And I can click this one and all of them is already at the center. Likewise, I can set a title using the H1. At this rate, I can go on this part, and then before this image, I can set H1, and then I can set the giraffe, Control S, and then on this area, refresh. And then you have now an example of an image inserted in your HTML page.